Hello and welcome to this eClass recording. Today we're going to go over how to increase the file upload size on your eClass course. Normally when you go into an eClass assignment or any activity which requires file uploads for submissions, you will see a maximum submission size option. This is limited to your course upload limit of 100 megabytes by default. However, if you have an assignment which requires larger file uploads, you'll need to increase this limit. In order to do so, navigate to your eClass course page and click on the settings icon on the top. Once you're in the settings page, scroll down to the Files and Uploads drop-down menu. From here, you can increase the file upload size to the site limit of 2 gigabytes, and you can also decrease the size if you would prefer. Once you have set the upload size, click Save and Display at the bottom, and now when you go into any assignment or activity that requires file uploads, you will see the new file upload size has been set. That concludes this eClass recording on how to increase the file size on your eClass course.